I have today a human hair wig. This is from Emma Hairpiece, and they have human hair wigs. And at the end of this video, you just have to go and check out the prices. If you think you can't afford a human hair wig, think again, because they have done it. And I've been wanting something, human hair silver. Look at this. It is a beautiful silver, a pearl, platinum, silver color. It is just so beautiful. And of course, the lighting never does it justice. I would say this is as close as you can get to a really nice silvery human hair. So let me show you this up close and personal. Let me show you the cap. So it has a closed cap. It has the lace front, complete lace front, and it has combs, which is nice if you want to be able to have more security. You can put those combs right up underneath your wig grip. And it has one in the back as well. It's beautiful. I want to show you, get it really close so that you can see this hairline. It's going to look so natural. It's going to be undetectable. You can see here, all of this lace front is hand tied. You cannot see a knot. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it now, and then I'm gonna put it on. I'll be right back. So I've cut the lace. Let's see what we have here. So I'm just going to slide it under the wig grip like that. I always wondered what it felt like, all those girls putting on human hair. And let me tell you what, it feels pretty great. It feels pretty great. This feels, look at the silkiness. Look at the movement of that. Make sure I've got it back 4 fingers. That my ear tabs are straight. They are. Push them in. This is gorgeous. I don't even have to tell you all that. I hope that you can see this. But the feel of this human hair, this is 12 inches of 100% human Remy hair. And it is silver. And it is awesome. It is just what I've been looking for in a human hair wig, because silver human hair wigs are really hard to find. And I was asking Emma to do a silver haired bob or wig, and they have beautiful colors, and they were wanting me to review a wig for them. And when I saw this silver show up, I was like, that's the one I want to review. So Emma Hairpiece came out with a silver, and it is beautiful. I want to get up close so that you can see this hairline, because it's incredible. Look at that. Very, very beautiful. And the fit on this, it fits really well to my head. It's low density. Being able to put them behind your ear, so super easy. Great for being able to do a low bob. The cap is closed, so when your hair blows, you're not going to see any wefting. People are going to see you filling your hair like this and running your fingers with it. Look at that, what you can do with a human hair wig. That's pretty fabulous. Okay, I'm excited because I've never had a human hair wig. This is my first time experience to try one. And Emma Hairpiece did a great job on this one. It has that center part. If you wanted long curtain bangs, have curtain bangs cut into it. A human hair wig like this comes to you. They make the wig, but they're not putting a style in for you. They're not cutting it exactly into a style, because then it sets the piece for one person, one face shape. Or they make these wigs where they're just all one length. That way you can style it the way that you want to. You can have it cut to be specifically the way that you want to. And I haven't put the scar tape in there yet. So that's going to make the hairline being even more, because I have white hair underneath here. It doesn't look like scalp. So when I put the scar tape into the part line, you're going to be able to see a realistic look. And because the combs that are used on the side This isn't going anywhere. I've always wanted to do, I wish I had room in here to do the flip test, but literally, okay, I'm going to try just to show you a bit of a flip. And it doesn't move. It doesn't move. It is not going to move on you. It's not going to go anywhere. There's no fear of that. I love a wig, especially with these lace front and human hairs, where you don't have to glue it down. So this is a glueless human hair, lace front, incredible wig to find. I hope you'll go check them out and see this. Thank you, Emma Hairpiece, for sending me this 12-inch human hair wig to be able to share with everyone today. I hope you'll go check out their website. The pricing is unbelievable. If you thought you couldn't afford a human hair wig, you can afford one. This one is incredible price. Hope you'll go to the website. I'm going to have the link down below of where to get it and to check it out and see what you think. Get two. Get one to wear straight all the time. Get one to keep it curled. And so depending on what your mood for the day is, you can change it out. If you're silver hair or no hair, or you want silver hair to transition, or you want silver hair because you've just wanted to always have silver hair but don't want to commit to it, this is, as you can see, a beautiful silver. It is absolutely gorgeous, and you've got to check it out. Thank you so much for stopping by Mel's Be Ageless today, and I'll see you in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.